Nutritional and health benefits of edamame. Hello, welcome to JTC Health, your health-centered channel. Please like and subscribe for weekly updates and also click on the bell icon. Today I will be showing you the nutritional and health benefits of edamame. Brief background. Edamame is a soybean that is young and green when picked. Because of this, edamame is soft and edible, not hard and dry like the mature soybeans used to make soy milk and tofu. This tasty treat, known as edamame, has big health benefits packed into its tiny green beans. These immature soybeans are still encased in the pod, which isn't supposed to be eaten. You can pull them from the pod or buy them shelled, then warm them up by steaming, boiling, stir-frying, or microwaving the beans. Soy is a complete protein that's a great alternative to animal protein. Edamame is also rich in fiber, potassium, B vitamins, and magnesium. Ready to learn more about this magic bean? Dig in to explore some of the surprising nutritional benefits of edamame. 1. Packed with protein. One of the most unique nutritional benefits of edamame is that it's a complete protein, unlike many other beans, and it's a staple for vegetarian and vegan diets. 1 cup of cooked edamame provides approximately 18.5 grams of protein and includes all of the essential amino acids your body needs to repair vital muscle tissue after daily wear and tear. If you're interested in following a plant-based diet, add a few edamame recipes to your weekly meal plan. 2. Stronger bone health. Edamame contains calcium, which helps build strong bones. Eating edamame and soy foods regularly can help lower the risk of bone fractures and reduce joint pain in people with osteoporosis, especially post-menopausal women. If you're concerned about your bone density, adding edamame to your diet is a tasty way to boost your bone health. Studies suggest that eating soy-based foods is more effective for increasing bone density than taking supplements. 3. Improved menopausal symptoms. One of the health benefits of eating edamame is reduced symptoms of menopause. The isoflavones in soy work wonders for alleviating common symptoms, such as mood swings, hot flashes, and night sweats. Keep in mind, it doesn't work for everyone. You need to have the right bacteria in your digestive system that turns isoflavones into equal and helps the soy do its work. But edamame is a delicious snack and certainly worth a try. 4. Reduced risk of heart disease. The extra fat and cholesterol linked to eating red meat is often associated with a higher risk of heart disease. If you're working on reducing fat and cholesterol in your diet to improve your cardiovascular health, edamame is a good protein replacement. Soy foods also contain an omega-3 fatty acid that's thought to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. As a bonus, edamame is low in sodium, which benefits heart disease patients who also have high blood pressure. 5. Superior skin protection. These tiny green soybeans that are protected by their pod can also protect your skin. Edamame is chock full of antioxidants that help repair skin damage caused by the environment, sun exposure, and injury. Antioxidants battle the free radicals that age your skin and create the appearance of wrinkles and sagging. Studies have shown that a soy-based isoflavone called genistein may be able to improve skin elasticity and prevent skin cancer. Eating edamame could also lessen the effects of skin aging in postmenopausal women. 6. Better digestion. Fiber is essential for proper digestion and edamame is filled with it. 1 cup of edamame has 8 grams of fiber and provides 32% of the daily recommended amount. Getting fiber from eating edamame helps your body move food through your bowels more effectively and can provide relief from bloating, constipation, and hemorrhoids. Improved digestion from consuming edamame can also increase your energy levels by providing the maximum nutrition from what you eat. 7. Enhanced weight management. Did you know eating edamame can help you lose or maintain weight? This high-fiber soy food makes your stomach feel full and satisfied, which can keep you from reaching for a second helping or dessert. Fiber takes longer to digest and it absorbs water in your stomach to make it expand and feel full. If you're watching your weight, try heating up some edamame for a snack or adding a handful of beans to soups and stir-fries. 8. Rich in folate. Eating edamame can help you recover faster after exercising because it contains folates and protein that help build muscle tissue. These important muscle-supporting folates are a form of B vitamin that performs vital cell functions that include helping with cell division, growth, and DNA production. Folate is also beneficial for pregnant women to protect their developing baby from neural birth defects. Add edamame to your diet for a yummy folic acid boost. 9. Steady blood sugar. If you have a sugar habit or love carbs, you may be putting your body at risk for chronic disease caused by blood sugar level spikes. Carbohydrates digest quickly, which can increase blood sugar levels, but beans like edamame help you maintain a steady level with no spikes. Edamame is ideal for a low-carb diet and is recommended for people with type 2 diabetes. Even if you don't have diabetes, edamame is a healthy snack that will keep your energy level balanced throughout the day. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Do have a remarkable day and week ahead.